Going on to Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be showing you how to create a split screen on your PC, how to set up snap screens, and how to use the shortcuts for snap screens. So what's the difference between a split screen and a snap screen? A split screen, basically, you can do this manually. I am now dragging this tab around and trying to set up like a 50%, kind of set that up there, and I'll grab another tab right here and I will move it over here and drag that down to get another 50%, and see how that snaps right in there. So that becomes like a manual split screen. Okay, but right now if you want to make sure that you have that snap option, go to your settings, and I'm going to come down to multitasking. Make sure your snap windows option is there and on. That means that you actually have the snap options. Just hover over the maximize button right here, and I chose this one down here. It would move this tab to the left, and I'd have two more screens on the right hand side stacked against each other. So the MSN screen would be on the left, and there it goes, and then my multitasking screen is down here, and then I can pick one to fill up this space right here. Now if I didn't want to use my mouse, I can use the Windows screen and the right or left option, and then the up or down option. You just have to choose the tab that you want. So let's say I'm going to use the AP News tab, and I'm going to hit the Windows left button. Watch what happens. It just moved it over to the left. Okay. I can continue that. Windows down, so that now it completely takes up that full 50% of the screen. Let's go over here to multitasking, Windows up. That gives me the other 50%. You choose this one, Windows right, and that would move it over to the right. Okay, so the little shortcuts are basically Windows right or left, and then up or down, whichever one you want. Just make sure that you have a tab that you've already chosen, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on down below.